Hello and welcome back to Global English University. Many English learners reach a plateau at the B1 or B2 level. You can communicate, but your language still feels like school English, functional, but not sophisticated. If you want to sound like a leader, an executive, or a high-level academic, you must upgrade your vocabulary. Today, we are moving from Level 1, school, to Level 2, university and professional. We are shifting from being understood to being influential. The 10 elite vocabulary upgrades. School English, keep. University English, retain. In school, we keep our notes. In a professional environment, we retain information, retain a consultant, or retain our top talent. Using retain suggests a strategic effort to hold on to something valuable. School English, live. University English, reside. I live in the city is conversational. I reside in the metropolitan area is the professional standard. You will see this on official documents, in legal contexts, and hear it in formal introductions. School English, rich. University English, affluent. Rich describes money. Affluent describes status and environment. We speak of affluent neighborhoods or affluent markets. It is a more respectful and precise way to describe high-wealth demographics. School English, buy. University English, purchase. This is a vital shift for business English. Consumers buy groceries, but corporations purchase assets, equipment, and services. If you are discussing a budget or a contract, always use purchase. School English, simple. University English, elementary. Calling a problem simple can sometimes sound dismissive. Calling it elementary suggests that the solution is fundamental or foundational. It sounds more analytical and less emotional. School English, whole. University English, comprehensive. Don't just give your boss a whole report. Give them a comprehensive report. Comprehensive tells the listener that you have looked at every detail, every angle, and every possibility. It implies quality and depth. School English, ask for. University English, request. In a professional setting, we rarely ask for things. We request a meeting, request a deadline extension, or request further clarification. It adds a layer of formal politeness that is essential for leadership. School English, think about. University English, contemplate. To think about something is passive. To contemplate is active and deep. When a leader contemplates a strategy, it shows they are giving the matter serious, intellectual weight. School English, talk about. University English, elaborate on. During a presentation, instead of saying, "I want to talk about the budget," say, "I would like to elaborate on the budget." To elaborate means to provide more detail and complexity, which is exactly what a professional audience expects. School English, get ready. University English, prepare. Get ready sounds like you are preparing for a party. Prepare sounds like you are ready for a mission. We prepare a presentation, prepare for a lecture, and prepare a strategic plan. The difference between a student and a professional is often just the choice of a single word. By replacing these 10 common verbs and adjectives with their university-level counterparts, you immediately change how people perceive your authority and your expertise. Your challenge: choose 3 of these level 2 words and use them in a sentence in the comments below. I will personally review them to ensure you are using them in the correct professional context. If you found this lecture helpful, make sure to subscribe to Global English University for more elite communication strategies. Class is dismissed.